Max and the Chicks' Fun Day. One sunny morning, a playful puppy named Max heard cheerful chirping and followed the sound to the barnyard. There, he found two tiny, yellow chicks named Peep and Chirp. "Do you want to play with us?" Peep asked. "Of course." Max barked excitedly. They decided to play hide and seek. Max covered his eyes while the chicks hid. Peep hid under a leaf, and Chirp giggled as she hid under Max's tail. "1, 2, 3. Here I come!" Max shouted. He quickly found Peep, but Chirp was tricky. When Max felt a tickle under his tail, he jumped, and Chirp tumbled out, laughing. They all laughed together, happy to have made new friends. As the sun began to set, the chicks grew sleepy. They snuggled up next to Max, and under the twinkling stars, they all drifted off to sleep, dreaming of more fun to come. The end.